Hola mis amores, bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Summer and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then what it do? But if you're part of the glam fam, hey, how you doing? You look good, you look great. Today I'm going to be filming my chit chat, get ready with me. Also, my casting call video for James Charles' new reality show, What?
Ever had a dream that you once that you could do so you
I'm so excited, and it's such a great opportunity, not only for me but for all the other influencers in the beauty industry. Like, this is a dream come true. I'm gonna be doing my favorite go-to look, and I'm gonna be instructing you and showing you and talking about my life. So if you would like to get glam with your fairy glam mother, keep on watching. Okay, I'm back. So I got my brows and face application done off camera. I'm gonna be also linking my brow tutorial and foundation tutorial down below for you all. Alright, so I was sent this palette in the mail the other day, so I'm gonna be using this as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. These are my go-tos lately, and I want to put y'all on. Okay, so a little bit about me. I'm a 21-year-old makeup artist, and y'all know that. You guys have been following me for a while. I turned 22 in a couple days. Yes. How did I get into YouTube and makeup? You know, I just got good at it one day. No, like, I actually wasn't allowed to wear makeup for a majority of my life. My mom, when I turned 16, was like, okay, you can wear mascara. I kind of went crazy. Switching to my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette, I started doing my makeup, and like, it became cool. Girls would book me, to do their makeup, like, for little things like prom and homecoming, and it just took off from there. I started doing like special effects, and I started doing like really artistic looks. And back in the day, like, colorful artistic looks were like rare, so those always used to take off and go crazy. Brands started to reach out to me, and I was like, wait, you're asking me a price to wear your makeup? And now I'm taking the shade Big Wig, which is this beautiful purple shade. Pretty. And now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and line the tops, put on my lashes, and we're gonna finish the bottom. But yeah, so basically, like, what got me into makeup is being able not to do makeup, and that really pushed me and got me really motivated and inspired. And ever since then, I have always been in love with creating makeup looks, filming, and being an influencer. I remember one of the first like brands to ever reach out to me was like a small lash company, but that to me at the time was so huge, because it was like, you trust me enough and you like me enough to send me your hard-earned products, and you work so hard for those products, and you want to send them to me. Like, I was so shook. When I'm not in school, I am an Atlanta based influencer, makeup artist, all of that. There's just a lot of opportunity and resources. I'm really nervous about this show, because there's so many talented influencers. Like, when I'm on Instagram and stuff, I'm always like, I could never do that, because I went from being like doing makeup solely to influencing, and now it's like a combination of the two. There's also another product from Love Riley. I don't know if it's like a lipstick or like a gloss, but the color is pretty. Ooh. Look, let me take off my caboodle shikaboodle. So this is the completed look. All the products I used and did not mention while I was filming will also be down below for you all. Such a really amazing opportunity, James. I really love that you're doing this for the community, because there are a lot of people who don't have the same, resources or a following or money, their name out there. And I just really love that you're taking the time to use your name and your platform and your resources and all that to give someone else an opportunity. I love the community. I love being a makeup artist. So thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck to everybody entering. This is such a great opportunity. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.